I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Payoneer to Affirm, follow these steps to get it done smoothly. Step 1. Log into Payoneer. Access your Payoneer account using your credentials. Make sure you have sufficient funds available for the transfer. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Once logged in, find the withdraw option in the main menu. This is where you can initiate the transfer process. Step 3. Select bank transfer. Choose the option for bank transfer, as this is the method you will use to send funds to Affirm. You may need to add your bank details if you haven't done so already. Step 4. Enter Affirm bank details. Input the bank account information for Affirm. Double check the account number and routing number to avoid any errors, as incorrect details can delay the transfer. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Affirm link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, transfers can take a few business days to process, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble transferring your funds. Happy transferring!